Stop! That's me. I'm the most popular baddie.
Christina's over here obsessed with this man's feet.
Yeah, it looks funky. Sad he didn't have sheep.
Dr. Scholl's wasn't around.
Yeah, but why would that make your toes that long?
I don't know. Why are there flies all over this dead man?
I know. A little too realistic for me. Oh. Yep.
He's got a gun. He's gonna shoot me. Active shooter on the mall.
America!
Here you go.
You see? And then I'm gonna be home Sunday.
We're being attacked again and nobody's talking about it. I don't know if he's with the North or the South, but he means business.
He's wearing white. I don't know what that means.
That's what?
He's wearing white. I don't know what that means.
It's supposed to mean that, like, you gave up, like you surrender.
All over the place. Not really. Stop!
That kid is disrespectful.
What? 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 Where are you going?
He's a good dog. He would never hurt nobody. This place is wild. We're getting guns pointed at us. We have attack dogs. Like, what is going on here? This place is not safe for us. It's because
not in Trump's America.
Not in Donald Trump's America.
Somebody's dog shit here and they didn't clean it up.
People's dogs shitting everywhere. They're not cleaning it up. That's ridiculous. I'm scared. That kid threatened to shoot me. He was threatening to shoot the reenactors. There was a rabid dog out there trying to attack women. Hopefully there's a bathroom around here. I don't want to pee on hollowed ground.
We are at stop 2. There's not a bathroom. You slinging your dick around. Getting piss everywhere.
This is a place of reflection and respect. She's over here taking selfies like this.
No. It was not how I take a selfie.
Gettysburg, most famously known for season 8, episode 8 of The Office. We finally made it here, and now we hunt for the most popular battle there was, the most important one, the Battle of Schrute Farms.
Can I just take a picture quick, just so you guys stop complaining?
The Confederate gods are angry. This is not a time for filming. It's a time for reflection, a time for respect. We're lost again.
Whatever. I really think you should have went straight at the bottom of the little top or whatever. But whatever.
I told you what the sign said. The sign said turn left. Oh, I know you didn't, honey.
But you saw the sign, and here we are.
But then we saw another
circling
sign.
around. I didn't see what other sign you saw.
Okay. This is ridiculous. Every time we go anywhere, we get lost, and she blames it on me. So we're backtracking again and hopefully get it right this time.
Josh!
What was that?
I don't know. My hair was stuck to my lip.
Damn.
I could have been halfway down by now.
No, that's not true.
Keep walking. I don't know what you're doing over here.
You're drooling a little bit.
No, I'm not.
Now we look for the most popular baddie there is.
That's me. I'm the most popular baddie. They made us memorize this at school.
They made you memorize it?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
I don't know. What was school run 7 years ago?
Go ahead.
No. I
Why
don't
not?
like our fathers. What else do I have pictures of?
You're going to get a picture with the president and you're going to like it.
Randos. Every time there's a bench, you make me sit down with it. You should just do a montage of me sitting with random things.
Give me all the smiles because I'm just going to screenshot it. Ah, jeez. They asked me if I had weapons. I thought they were going to check me. What'd you say?
I said he was a good looking man.
What?
I said he was a good looking man.
He's a good looking cop? All right. That's a bookstore. Maybe. Okay. That's a gold one.
Yeah, they're $5.
Or we could just do that one. They don't even take quarters. What kind of shit is that?
Yeah, we gotta go to the old school one over there. And I found a quarter, so.
Okay. There we go, folks. 2025. They don't even accept quarters anymore. What's the point? I brought quarters.
There is one over there that takes
Let's
quarters.
find a stickers.
Oh,
It's tradition.
where's your other money?
My other money? Where's your money? Oh, they're $1. They're not 50 cents.
Oh. Oh, they don't have the. Oh, they have it.
They don't have a quarter machine?
No.
I guess we'll have to go. Man, what is going on? Do you have $1?
No, I don't have any cash. Sad.
Maybe they'll give cash at the register.
But I don't have any,
Like,
oh, you have to buy something to get cash back.
son of a gun. That's how they get you. Well, no pennies here, I guess.
Oh God, this looks confusing. Can you read a map?
Yes, can you read a map?
I can, but I'm just out. Like when you first started, I'm always real confused.
Where are we?
We are right here.
Okay. And which way's north?
That way.
Here comes that guy you thought was cute.
I'm done with you.
Christina's got a crush. He heard me too. He knows you got a crush on him.
I just said
He's
he
like,
was
yeah.
good looking.
He's like, I'm used to it. He's always the eyes and that chin.
He wasn't taller.
Does he have to be tall to be attractive?
No, he does not have to be tall to be attractive.
I hope not.
This is usually how the cookie crumbles, though.
So I got impatient and I stopped at a tower that I saw, which is a one-way. So we're not going straight to the visitor center. We have to go through the whole park, I guess. I hate looking up more than I hate looking down. Got this. Oh. In all honesty, since the last video, I have been going to the gym and doing cardio. Just didn't go this morning. So, we're almost there. We're almost there. Put your head on right. Respect the Confederates. Oh, Lord. Whew. So we are at a tower somewhere. Made it to the top. Didn't plan on stopping here, but I decided I saw the tower. I saw you're allowed to go up. So we came in, and immediately the first sign says, begin 1-lane road, and you can't go back out that way. So it looks like we're gonna have to drive through this whole thing to get to the visitor center. Too many crickets. I don't like heights at all. Where all the smart people went. They should have said, don't go that way.
Well, it wasn't taking you that way. That's the thing. You made an executive decision without my consent.
I did. Oh my God. You ready to go back down? Should be easier.
I don't know. My thighs are still hurting from the gym the other day.
Ooh. I messed it up. I messed up the whole trip. Big old dummy, D-U-M-M, messed up the whole trip. Because I decided to pull in here. Did you bring hand sanitizer? Huh? Good, because I got my hands all over them rails that I probably got influenzas, noroviruses, flus, colds, apparently measles now.